How to use, sign in or create Telegram account without phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can log in, sign in or create a new Telegram account without a phone number. Now first things first, I'll get things straight. What you'll have to know is without phone number there is no any absolute way that you can log in or sign in on Telegram. You will have to need a number. Now if you don't own a number or if you don't want to use a personal number, you can always use the alternate ways. You can always use some other SIM cards, some other numbers. However, if you don't have any, what you can do is you can head into your browser, and I'll suggest you to use in the virtual card. What you can do is type in virtual number for OTP and you'll get this link. So you can go into these links and get the number where you'll get the code that you'll get from the Telegram, the confirmation code as well. So you want to go ahead. I won't be able to show it here. However, you can do so and you can log into Telegram. So this way you can use Telegram without phone number. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.